Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a newsletter service with Substack, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building your newsletter service with Substack, first, visit the Substack website at substack.com. Click the Start Writing button to begin the sign-up process. You will need to enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your email address. After verification, log back into your Substack account. You will be prompted to choose a name for your newsletter. Select a unique name that reflects your content and audience. Next, customize your newsletter's design. You can choose a banner image, color scheme, and logo that matches your brand. Now, proceed to write your first post. Click on New Post in the dashboard to open the editor. Craft engaging content that resonates with your target audience. You have options to add images, links, and formatting to enhance your post. Once you are satisfied with your post, preview it to ensure everything looks right. Now it's time to set up your subscription options. Go to the Settings section of your dashboard. Here, you can choose whether your newsletter will be free, paid, or a mix of both. This email is the first impression for your audience, so make it welcoming and informative. You can also collaborate with other writers or influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience. Monitor your newsletter's performance using Substack's analytics tools. Lastly, keep your content consistent by setting a publishing schedule. Regular updates will help retain your audience and keep them engaged. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful newsletter service with Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.